I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. I am so glad that y'all clicked on another one of my videos. It's like, for the people who've been watching me for a long time, I am so glad just to see y'all face and just see y'all in the comments engaging. I'm just saying all this to say, like, I really appreciate everybody who ever just took some time out their day to watch my channel. Time is the most valuable commodity in the whole wide universe, especially like in this 3D plane that we are in right now. You can get money back, you can get new friends, but you can't ever get new time. You can't get a refund on time. So I just wanted to start that video off of just appreciating y'all and giving y'all my thanks. But in today's video, we are doing a discussion video, okay? I did like one maybe a few months ago, but I want to talk about, what did your dad wear? What did your granddad wear? What did your uncle wear? Where and who did you get your fragrance influencing from? Like, who influenced you to get into the fragrance game? If it's not your dad, or it's not somebody that you know that's close to you, who got you into fragrances? So that's what I'm gonna talk to y'all today about. I'm going to tell y'all what I was getting influenced by, what I was paying attention to throughout my years on why I became a fragrance content creator. So first off, let's start back when I was younger. When I was younger, my dad always had Polo fragrances, okay? I always remember seeing Polo fragrances inside his like bathroom in his car, certain little situations. He always used to keep this in his glove compartment. He used to wear Polo underwear, Polo socks, Polo t-shirts, Polo hats, Polo. He used everything Ralph Lauren Polo. That's what my dad used to wear, and I used to always see this bottle. But I never could afford this, and I never knew that this costed a lot. It just made me pick up Bod fragrances. It made me pick up Axe and Old Spice little sprays. That is how I had got into fragrances, by picking up whatever was at my local Family Dollar or Dollar General, right? Then I went to school. When I went to school, almost every guy at school had the Gucci fragrance, okay? The old Gucci Guilty. They always talked about. So I got some of that Gucci on. It was a big thing, like Gucci back when I was growing up. If you had some Gucci, like the Gucci belts or the Gucci bag, you was that dude, okay? You was that man in school if you had some designer on, especially some Louis Vuitton. But nobody was familiar about Louis Vuitton fragrances, but they was with Gucci fragrances. So this was great. My friends had it. I think they probably their mom or their dad that was familiar with the Gucci brand is the reason why they picked it up. And that was like my influences growing up when I was in high school. Now, the reason why I started doing fragrance content is because of this baby right here. Paco Rabanne's 1 Million Parfum. Okay, I told y'all before that my best friend D had this on. He was smelling so good, irresistible. I'm like, bro, please tell me what fragrance is that? And he told me that he had some soap on. He said, it's just soap, bro, just wash your ass. I'm like, bro, that's not soap. You know what I mean? And I remember that weeks after he told me that, I was washing up vigorously. Like, I used to lather my whole body with like a bar of soap. Like, damn, if soap make you smell that good, I'm about to smell crazy. But he finally came out and told me that it was just this fragrance right here. Once I got this fragrance, I just was very inclined just to talk about it and tell everybody how good it has been doing me, you feel me? And that led to me picking up Dior Sauvage. That led to me picking up Jimmy Choo Man the 10th. And I picked up the Paco Rabanne's Phantom. It's so crazy because Paco Rabanne Phantom was actually the first video on this whole channel. So it kind of bring me back. But that is kind of what got me into the fragrance game. So I want y'all to go in the comments and let me know. And I want every single one of you guys just to let me know, what was your first fragrance and who was your fragrance influencers? Like, who was somebody who got you into the fragrance game, okay? I'm Big Boss. I love y'all, and I'm out.